Good afternoon. I'm Kaulen. This is PHS News Today for Friday, September 6th. The French Lick Scenic Railway is holding auditions for the Polar Express. You must be 13 years or older to be considered for the role. Congratulations to the senior class on winning the hall decorating contest. The theme for tonight's football game is beach. Your themed outfit must be school appropriate. And now to Kaulen with the Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Colin. Last night, girls JV and varsity volleyball fell to Forest Park. Last night, boys varsity cross country placed 15th out of 17. Girls placed 10th out of 16. Bryson Long finished 92nd, and Sarah Cairns won the girls' open race. Tonight, boys varsity football will be hosting the Orange Bowl. Come support all your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Colin.
I'm Kaulen, and that's your afternoon news. Have a turn-tastic day. Me, man, mommy, moo. Me, man, mommy, moo. Me, mommy, moo. Good afternoon. I'm Kaulen. This is PHS News Today. I have to restart. My hands aren't on the desk.